Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a table in OneNote Desktop. Tables are incredibly useful for organizing information, creating structured lists, or laying out data in a clear visual format. Let's walk through this simple process together. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Make sure you're on the page where you want to insert your table. This could be a fresh page or an existing one where you're already taking notes. The flexibility of OneNote allows you to add tables anywhere on your page, so you have complete control over your layout. Once your notebook has loaded, head over to the Insert menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are positioned. Click on the Insert option to reveal a range of additional features and tools that OneNote offers. This menu is your gateway to adding various elements like images, files, links, and of course tables to enhance your notes. From the Insert menu, look for the table icon, which is positioned on the leftmost part of the menu bar. When you click on it, a drop-down grid will appear right before your eyes. This grid interface is designed to make table creation incredibly intuitive and quick. Simply hover your cursor over the columns and rows in the grid to select your preferred table dimensions. As you move your mouse, you'll notice the grid highlighting to show you exactly what size table you're about to create. Once you've settled on the dimensions that work for your needs, click on the grid and your table will automatically be inserted onto your notebook page. It's that straightforward. The beauty of OneNote tables is that they're fully customizable even after creation. You can add or remove rows and columns, adjust spacing, and even convert your table data into an Excel spreadsheet if needed. This makes OneNote an incredibly powerful tool for everything from simple to-do lists to complex project planning. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table in OneNote Desktop. This simple feature can dramatically improve how you organize and present information in your digital notebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.